Damn! We're not gonna ignore that. What's going on, people of YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for another fairy tale video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys thought of the episode and your predictions for the episodes in the future. Make sure you guys also check out my most recent videos, the Sword Art Online I posted earlier today, and the Goblin Slayer. I hope you guys enjoy that shit too, man. Without further ado, let's get into this episode. Dang, we starting off with her ass in the shower. Y'all know fairy tale always on that freaky shit, man. Watch some freaky shit get happening. Oh, she's back in the old crib. Man, they must have loved her. Yeah. See, they about to do some freaky ass foot shit with this. Damn, that shit caught me off guard. I mean, it scared me a little bit. What the fuck? Everybody in the room. And he caught that shit and tipped her ass over. What the fuck? She about to be butt ass naked on the floor. Oh shit! He got to see the good shit. They got a job already. Oh, rebuilding. Forgot this is gonna be more of a chill episode. You know they have to rebuild and shit. Ah, the rumor spread around. Gray's getting cheeks. What? The rumor is getting crazy. Exactly. She haunted me, so her ass was stalking before she moved into jail. Look at her, man, so helpful. It's swole ass. I knew he was gonna say that shit. I knew he was gonna say that. Oh fuck. Big swole ass deep voice nigga. Oh, the 7th guild master. Who will it be? Where is Guild Arts? Yeah, they don't even know where he's at. These niggas are actually gonna fight. Funny as it. Oh my god. We don't even get to see it animated. Damn, you landed a good ass punch. That nigga did more damage than any of the other people in that army did. Flabby. Oh shit. Damn. That's how you know she right. My man Elfman, he just took a hell, bro. That nigga said, fuck it, Gray, I'm gonna fight you too, nigga. Look at these niggas, man. Fucking animals. Even he got his shit cracked. Aw, he crying. He's so happy. It did. Oh shit. No, hold up. Knocked out her shoe though. Knocked her ass off the sandal. Holy shit. Oh. Yeah, that's something you don't want. Yeah, I'll be chilling right now, you know? Yes, man. It's like shit. Let her be the guild master. Ain't nobody gonna say nothing about that. Yep. Urza the Bay. Who the fuck is this? So what a coincidence that you'll show up here. Oh, Matt, I remember him from the manga, I think. If I'm not mistaken, I think I know what his power is. Oh, because you're the guild master, damn it. Oh yes, to show the first master, I think. Right, stuck in that fucking crystal. Ah, the memories is coming back to me. Them niggas snuck in anyway. All of them did. She's butt naked. Is he opening her fingers or is she doing that shit? What the fuck? His memories? 10 years ago. What the fuck? This nigga funny as shit, bro. He already had the name planned out and all that. Why the fuck is he biting his head? So that's why he stayed. The hell is the point of even giving him back his fucking tattoo? Oh yeah, they try to steal it. Very valuable information getting dealt out right now. Not a lot that I remember, but you know, it's working. So what you're saying is y'all would get fucked up. Duh, would you even call it child's play? That's a goddamn massacre. Disband, he just said it. Oh. It's always such a big decision when it comes down to stuff like this. Hurting your family, but the result is saving them. And now they all know that information. After a year. I really can't say much during episodes like this because I be trying to read so much. I don't want to miss out on information. Usually you guys will, you know, help me in the comment section about that shit, but deem this enemy unbeatable. Well thought, Urza. Look at her. Listen to her speech. It's my baby right here. You better respect her. Only in this a small team. What? Whoa! Holy shit! They doing the Spec Ops mission. They're going on the Spec Ops mission. No battle, search and rescue, infiltration and rescue. And Nazi better not fuck up. My baby said what she said, and you better do what she said to do. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck did he? How the fuck he know that? How he know that? He just heard it or something? What the fuck? Okay, Juvie, you need to pipe down a little bit, come on now. Stop it. Damn. We're not gonna ignore that. Just look. We're not gonna. Guys, you'll know what he's. You know what? Let's move on. The B team. He's still doing it. Guys, you'll move. That shit did not look right. Move, goddammit. Oh, he's gonna get Laxus? Oh, he's gonna get Laxus too? Oh, shit. Ain't that gonna be something special? I remember that part. When they land on the island. Oh, and shit is gonna pop off too. I'm not about to spoil anything, but I think I remember what happens. Damn. Okay, fuck. Oh, I can't wait till next episode. That shit gonna be good. If you guys enjoy, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought of the episode, any predictions for the episode in the future. Make sure you guys check out my most recent videos as well. That's gonna be it. I am gone.